G'day, it's Colin from Worth. And what I've got here is the Worth Ultra 2040. Ultra 2040 is a general purpose lubricant. It's a fantastic penetrant, water displacer, and it contains PTFE. It comes in two sizes, a 500ml can and also bulk 20 litres. The PTFE gives you long-term protection, even after a while when you can't see the product anymore. It's also silicone free, so it's safe for paint shops. Ultra 2040 can be used as a contact spray on electrical components and connections because it displaces water so effectively. I've got a demonstration to show you how this happens. So I've got two jars here. I'm going to put some water in, our product and a competitor's product, shake them up and see how fast we displace the water. Worth Ultra 2040. As I've just shown you, it's a fantastic water dispersant for electrical connections and components. You can also use it on marine engines to spray them down for the salt water to stop them rusting, but any components that are left out in the elements. It's also a very good penetrant to get those rusty bolts out or that rusted squeaky hinge fixed. Worth Ultra 2040, the perfect partner for your workshop, your business and home. If you have any questions, leave them in the comments section. Don't forget to like our page and we'll see you next time for more quality products from Worth.